Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT in minutes. And right now, I am currently inside ChatGPT landing page, or basically the website itself. Just a disclaimer, I am currently using the free version. I'm not using ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT 4.0. So to show you guys that this is applicable for all accounts of the ChatGPT version. So the only thing you're gonna need here is gonna be a file that we're gonna create a presentation with. So right here, I already have it saved on my end. So the next thing up right there is basically, you can just hold your file and drop it on ChatGPT. If you don't like that, you can just simply click on the file logo right there, upload from computer. You can upload from Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. For now, I'm gonna stick with hold and drop. And with this one, please make sure you type in this specific prompt, like so. So let me just copy it right there on our handy dandy notepad. It's giving me a hard time to copy it, sorry about that. So click on copy, paste it right there. So this is the most crucial part. The first sentence right here is gonna be very crucial. What I mean by that is, make sure you have it right there. Make sure you don't change it. Especially this word right here that says, please create a 6-slide presentation. You can make this 5, you can make this 4. It's really up to you. The following sentence is just a backup, specifying that I want a slide for business and guides. That being said, simply click on enter, and you'll have it analyzing with no hassle at all. That being said, I'm just going to go back on the top section, because this is going to be my early results with the same guide. So I have 6 slides, 1 for introduction, 1 for market process, 1 for business challenges, and so on and so forth up to slide 6. Next up, once you have your text results right there, type in this prompt that says, convert the above slides into a well-formatted PowerPoint presentation. And it will give you this blue link. By the way guys, this took me around 30 seconds only to generate this link. And if you open it, you're going to open up a PowerPoint presentation. So I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be the inside of that link. And as you can see, it's pretty simple. We also have double bullets right there. So we should just basically edit stuff here. Though we do not have to create content, we're going to have a hard time thinking about the content. Basically, ChatGPT did that for us. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, check the bullets, because those are the first thing that are very noticeable. Next up, go to design, go to slide size, and make sure you're in widescreen, because it's pretty awesome to have a 16:9 rather than having a 4:3. That's not really good, guys. So basically with this one, we have just created a PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT in mere minutes. So what else to do? This is going to be by your own preference. You can edit it by your own liking, like so. So my end right here is going to be very limited because I have a free trial. That being said, with the free plan of PowerPoint, it's pretty awesome what I can do right here. By the way guys, if you want to change your font, you want to change it, the color, you can do so with the options on PowerPoint. I have a video on how to utilize PowerPoint, so please check it out. Now for example, you want to change the way you process this. There is another way to approach or generate your PowerPoint via ChatGPT. So let's move on with the second way. Alright, so going back on ChatGPT, I want you to copy this whole results, starting from slide 1 up to slide 6. Make sure you copy it. Perfect. And then basically open up your Microsoft 365 application. You can log into their website, but for now, I'm going to utilize their application. Simply click on Microsoft Word and open a blank document. I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Once you have opened up your Microsoft Word document, take note this is going to be a free trial of Microsoft 365. I did not have, or I do not have, the paid version just yet. And I'm going to paste it right here. So I have my slides here, or my output, or basically my outline, right? Next thing, if you want to create this or change it into PowerPoint, click on File, click on Export. As you can see right here, we have a change file option or create a PDF. However, if you have the paid Microsoft 365 version, you're going to see this option that says Export directly to PowerPoint. Basically, with a single click of a button from Word, you can create a PowerPoint document. Basically, that's it. You're gonna do the same thing we did earlier, just change the design to your own liking. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.